First, there was the report from the state attorney general showing the number of nursing home deaths was much higher than reported by the state health department.
Now a stunning admission from the governor's top aide, Melissa DeRosa. She says the Cuomo administration withheld the data out of fear it would be used against them by the federal investigators.
Democrats and Republicans are expressing outrage. Jackie Slater begins our team coverage.
Follow the plan.
Calls for prosecution, calls for resignation. Congresswoman Elise Stefanik speaking out on Friday after a New York Post article said Governor Cuomo's secretary, Melissa DeRosa, admitted the administration hid data on nursing home deaths. In a statement sent to NewsChannel 13, Stefanik said in part, this bombshell admission of a cover-up in the remarks by the secretary to the governor indicating intent to obstruct any federal investigation is a stunning and criminal abuse of power. Senate Majority Leader Andrea Stewart Cousins also releasing a statement saying politics should not be part of this tragic pandemic and our responses to it must be led by policy, not politics. As always, we will be discussing next steps as a conference. But statements released by DeRosa and other Cuomo administration officials imply the Post article took her statements, which were made in a private Zoom meeting with state Democratic leaders, out of context. According to a partial transcript of the meeting obtained by NewsChannel 13, DeRosa said after the Trump administration said they were going to investigate New York for nursing home COVID deaths, they, quote, froze because they weren't sure if they started talking about the deaths if it would be used against them. Assemblyman John McDonald, who was on that Zoom call, says the Post article is out of line, and he believes the administration and DOH are working in earnest to get the data in order.
It's true, Melissa DeRosa was there. It's true, we had a lot of discussion about the state's slow response. But to characterize it as a cover-up, I think, was not accurate by any stretch of the imagination.
True or not, McDonald wants to make it clear questions about the administration's handling of nursing home data remain.
Obviously, investigations are probably going to be ongoing, and that's part of the process. At the end of the day, we want full accountability and transparency in the process from March of last year to March of this year.
Reporting in Albany, Jackie Slater, NewsChannel 13.